Hello, in this video we are going to look at essentially multiple definitions of variables where you can actually create multiple variables. To do that, it's really simple. You could have it in the uninitialized section, which is section.bss. Same principle, I'm going to deal with the initialized section. And we can create a new variable. So call it var1, and we're just going to define it as 1 byte in terms of size. And I'm going to say 1, 2, 3. I'm going to say var2, define it as a byte again, we don't need to be that big. I'm going to put 4, 5, 6. If I run that now, nothing changes because we are only printing out the one variable. So if we duplicate all of this, and I'm going to duplicate it, so there's 2 instances of it. Next, we are going to change this to var1. We need to check the length of it, which is 1, 2, 3, 3 characters for both. So I'm going to put 3 here, change this to var2. These two can stay the same because 4 is just a call saying we're going to do some writing, and 1 is just a call that we're going to have some output. And I'll change this to 3. If I run it, we get hello world and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's fantastic. One little problem, or 2 problems with it, is we have to do the length ourselves every single time. And the other thing is, this is only online, whereas this isn't. If you solve the problem of you having to specify the length right here every single time, you'll solve that other problem as well. Essentially, you want to have something very similar to this, where you're calculating the length dynamically based on the variable. So I'm going to leave that as an extra task for you. If you have any questions though, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.